Let's see.
I was distracted and in traffic. I didn't feel it when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking.
Love his voice.
Were you in the
So
living room,
clean.
chilling, watching television?
So clean.
It's been a year now. Think I figured out how to let you go and let communication die out. 'Cause I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever, and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other, and it's fine.
It's like,
But if the world was ending, you come over, right? Right?
I tried to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened.
this is beautiful.
Thinking the night we went drinking, stumbled in the house and didn't make it past the kitchen. It's been a year now. Think I figured out how to think.
Love the little industries.
In my heart out. And I know, you know, we know we're down for forever, and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we were meant for each other, and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you come over, right?
Meshes so well.
Would you love me for the hell of it?
I think it already pulls at your heartstrings, this song, but it's just gorgeous.
You come over, right?
Vocally both solid.
Morning while I hold you tight.
So, I don't know. It's like butter.
We wouldn't even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over, you come over, you come over, right?
Listen to how beautifully they blend. Their pitch is awesome.
I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever.
Oh, I love that. It's so
I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other, and
This
it's
is
fine.
stunning.
But if the world was ending, you come over, right?
You'd come
Beautiful.
over and you'd stay the night.
Would you love me for the hell of it?
Hey.
Irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
They make it sound easy, right? And I think there's a lot of time that goes into this, but they make it sound easy, and I think that is what pros do. And that's what putting in more time does. Their transitions, their vocal and details, embellishments they're doing.
But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
I love that.